Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for June 4th, 2018. Who's ready for a new colored Raine palette? Vivid Pigments, anyone? Cosmo tossed a little sneak our way with this editorial snap of the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Apparently, it'll be $49 for the rest. Sign up on their website. Over the weekend, Ipsy released what was supposed to be a Pride video but took a terrible turn almost immediately. One of the presenters, Cassandra, who identifies as lesbian, spoke of, quote, a spectrum between trans women, between authentic cisgender women, and everything in between. End quote. Ipsy apologized for this statement. Our sincere apologies to anyone that we hurt with the thoughtless comments today included in the video that seemed to imply that trans women were not authentic women. We realize we really messed up and that we still have a lot to learn. Ipsy will be releasing a follow-up video today. Finally, Revlon has announced Flesh, a new line that will initially release a 40-shade range of foundation sticks, available at Ulta online June 24th and in-store July 8th. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram, and don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.